My dear students, today let's discuss about direct current and alternating current. What is direct current? If the current flows only in one direction, it is called direct current or DC. Here, the positive and negative polarity are fixed. The frequency of DC is 0. The sources of DC are dry cell, battery, car battery, etc. If the current reverses direction after equal intervals of time, it is called alternating current or AC. An AC changes its direction at every 1/100th of a second in India. The positive and negative polarity of AC is not fixed, and the sources of AC are powerhouse generators and bicycle dynamos. Frequency of household supply of AC in India is 50 Hz. That is, AC completes 50 cycles in 1 second. Now, what are the advantages of AC over DC? AC can be generated with less cost than that of DC. Second one is AC can be easily converted into DC. Then AC can be controlled without much loss of electric power than DC. And the most important one is AC can be transmitted to longer distances without much loss of energy than DC. Next is an electric generator. It is an electric device used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The main components of a generator are as follows. First one is an armature coil ABCD, which consists of a large number of turns of insulated copper wire wound over a soft iron core. The second one is a strong field magnet. Next is slip rings. The two ends of the armature coil are connected to two slip rings R1 and R2. These rings rotate along with the armature coil. And the next is two carbon brushes B1 and B2, which are pressed against the slip rings. The brushes are fixed while slip rings rotate along with the armature. These brushes are connected to the load through which the output is obtained. Now let's see the working. When the armature coil ABCD rotates in magnetic field provided by the strong field magnet, it cuts the magnetic lines of force. Thus, the changing magnetic field produces induced current in the coil. The direction of the induced current can be determined by Fleming's right-hand rule. The current flows out through the brush B1 in one direction in the first half of the revolution and through the brush B2 in the next half revolution in the reverse direction. This process is repeated. Therefore, induced current produced is of alternating nature and is called alternating current.